Let me show you guys how I took this hair from the regular closure wig to a very cute fringe wig in just a few minutes. Hi, my name is Rosemary. I'm a hairstylist and a content creator based in Abuja. First things first, we're going to work with our closure. That is how we roll over here. I'm going to straighten the wig after I've worked on my closure, just the regular way you stretch your wig, okay? I'm not going to really show you guys the detailed way to straighten a wig. I have a video up already. You should check it out if you're new here, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and style my wig just as you would straighten any other straight hair, okay? This hair is not a bob wig, it's just a blunt cut hair, okay? So after I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and section a bit of the closure part, just a little bit. Anyways, it depends on how full your client wants the hair or you want the hair. So I'm only sectioning the closure part. I'm avoiding the bundles itself. Okay. So you can always replace your closure if you're tired of the fringe and you want to go back to your closure wig. Okay. Notice how I didn't touch the bundle. It's just the closure I'm working with. This is a 2x4 closure, by the way. Depends on how full or how scanty your closure is. Okay, so I'm just trying to measure the right part of the closure and the left part of the closure to make sure they are all on the same line. After that, I'm going to just comb it forward and then use my wax stick to further flatten it. Just be light-handed with your wax stick. I did not put too much. Honestly, you do not need too much, but you need wax stick to be able to control the hair to come forward and your hot comb. So I'm going to use the hot comb to take back the other hair so it does not mess with what I just cut out. Honestly, I like to use my blow dryer. To me, it's hotter than a hot comb. I don't know, you can argue with yourselves. But yeah, I'm going to use my blow dryer on hot setting to further bring down the hair we just sectioned. Okay, it's way hotter than a hot comb and it will do the job for me. Is what I've been using. After I've successfully sectioned the hair, I'm going to twist the part that is in front. This is because I do not want the hair to have like a really straight line when I'm cutting it. You can use scissors or shears. There's this comb that has razor in it. If you know that comb, you can use that as well, but I couldn't find mine, so I used scissors. And also, if you're cutting, don't cut too short like I did. It's because I'm used to this. That is why I did one cutting. I advise you start very long before you start to trim it to the level you want your fringe to be. Okay, after that, you're going to use your hot comb as well to bring down the hair again, and then you're going to use your straightener to bob the wig inward. Okay, I'm curving my hand inwards just like how you will bob a wig, a bob wig. Yes. So after I've done that, this is what our hair is looking like. Do not panic. I'm going to transfer it from the canvas head onto a mannequin head. So the mannequin head is going to serve as my client's head or your head. Okay, so I need to see like the level of the fringe. I want to see if it's too long or too short, and from there I'm just going to blend everything in. You get? So you need a mannequin head as well to like know what you're doing. So after I've transferred it, I'm going to comb the side. Sort of, I'm blending the one we just cut in front into the remaining hair. It was spaced. So yes, I'm just going to comb it and blend it into the hair itself. Now you can see how well blended the fringe is, as if that is how the hair came. Yes, it is spaced in front, but it is part of the beauty. Okay, we turned a closure into this fringe, so that space in the middle is going to be normal. So what I'm going to do is to try to use my hot comb to blend the hair further. I'm also going to try and comb the middle part as well to like not be too spaced in front. Do you understand? So that is it. That is how you turn your closure wig into a fringe if you're bored of your closure wigs. I've also turned, I think, two of my closure wigs into fringe and I'm still enjoying it. It's been years. Anyways, let me know, will you be trying this? And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.